I've been walking through properties in Medellin for a while now, and most of the time, when something looks good in the listing photos, you walk in and it makes sense. But this property is different. We are in the neighborhood of Zúñiga in Envigado. This 2-level apartment sits on the 8th and 9th floor of a low-density building. A question that I have is what happens when the person who lives somewhere and treats every wall, every bathroom, every single room as a creative decision rather than a practical one? All of the information for this property is down below in the description. Let's go check this one out. And here it is, 156 square meters of open space. And as soon as you walk in, you understand the type of person that lives here. There's a warmth to this that no renovation budget can buy. These are choices that were made layered on top of each other. An open plan first level with a living area ready to host any invited guests. A full bookshelf unit on one wall and an orange built-in shelf unit that carries a color decision through the whole floor. Natural light comes in from multiple directions, and the dining space sits at the far end with a solid wooden table ready to host family dinners. And then we have the kitchen. It has its own space. It has its own identity. This is something that newer apartments try to recreate. And yet, even though it's separated, it doesn't let you forget the rest of the apartment is still here. An enclosed kitchen connected to the living area through a pass-through window cut directly into the wall. A framed opening that keeps sound and conversation moving between the two spaces without removing the separation. Light gray cabinetry, black tile floors, built-in oven recessed into the wall tower, gas stovetop, and a dishwasher. A movable wooden island on wheels sits in the center, and this kind of detail tells you that this kitchen was designed for someone who loves to cook and to host. And on the first level, we have a guest bedroom in a home full of so much personality, so much detail. It's nice to have a space that is your own. A well-proportioned bedroom that captures in natural light. And on top of that, it has unique doors from the countrysides of Medellin. It also has its own unique designed private bathroom. This room is calm precisely because it does not compete with the rest of the apartment. The deep chocolate brown textured tiles covering every surface in this bathroom. A ceiling mounted rainfall shower head. Walking in here feels like stepping into a completely different mood. Every duplex has a staircase. This one is not the kind you walk up without thinking twice. Curved stone steps, iron railings sweeping upward, and a gentle arc with a large painted canvas on the wall alongside it. The combination of stone, ironwork, and the curve gives this staircase a presence that is rare in a residential apartment. Then you arrive to the 9th floor, and it's more private up here. It's more quiet. And above you, the ceiling tells you exactly how this floor was built. Exposed wooden beam ceilings running through every room in the upper floor. The 9th floor elevation means light comes in, unobstructed throughout the day. The upper floor holds the studio, 2 bedrooms, and an extended balcony. There are balconies that you glance through when you walk through an apartment. Then you have other balconies like this one that stop you mid-sentence. This balcony makes you forget everything about the apartment inside. This extended balcony gives you a view that shifts as you move along it. Exposed brick wall running through the full length behind you. Warm wood panel ceiling overhead with black steel framing, and the green tree canopy below, opening up to the city and the Andes Mountains beyond. And this combination of the brick and the wood ceiling makes this feel designed with purpose rather than added on. And if you work from home and you need space, quietness, this space takes itself seriously. Custom built-in bookshelves covering 2 full walls floor to ceiling, 2 full desks with proper working space, an exposed beam ceiling above, a dedicated creative workspace at this size on the 9th floor is one of the most compelling features of this entire duplex for anyone who works remotely. This is not a converted bedroom with a desk pushed against the wall. It was built to be exactly what it is. The guest bathroom upstairs stops you before you even step fully inside. Most bathrooms ask you to do something in them. From floor to ceiling, deep forest green tiles on every wall, matte black features throughout, and a well thought out vanity. Frameless glass shower panels with black steel framing complete the room. This bathroom was designed as a space in its own right, not as a functional afterthought to the bedroom beside it. Everything in this duplex has been building towards the primary, earning its place at the top. And if you ask me, it definitely has earned it. The largest of the 3 bedrooms with wooden doors from the countryside of Medellin. One sliding door for the entrance, one for the master bathroom, and another for the closet. Exposed beam ceiling, wall source lighting, and direct balcony access. This is a master bedroom that understands what a master bedroom is supposed to feel like. Step into the master bathroom and the entire mood shifts. If the other 2 were bold and architectural, this one is warm and golden. Warm yellow tiles covering the walls, handmade with the slight surface variation that only that material produces. With a glass vessel sink sitting on a dark granite countertop and an oval mirror above. Matte black fittings and warm light makes this bathroom something that photographs almost cannot capture. It must be experienced in person. We came out to the balcony earlier, and I mentioned that as soon as you walk outside, the duplex behind you completely disappears. I still stand by that. Having seen both floors, the upgraded kitchen, the expansive living areas, and 3 bathrooms, each that feel like they belong completely somewhere else. 156 square meters across 2 floors in the neighborhood of Zúñiga in Envigado. This 2-level apartment is rarer than you think and harder to find than any listing would suggest. All of the information for this property is down below in the description, and when you're ready to purchase in the next 30 days here in Medellin and you have a budget of $150,000 or above and you want to work with our proven system, then go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link to that form is down below in the description as well. Click on the link, fill out the form, and someone on the team will reach out to you, and we'll see you guys here in Medellin.